In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a data source using Tableau, specifically in the TDS or TDSX format. Whether you're a beginner trying to get a grasp of Tableau or a seasoned user needing a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand every part of it as we go along. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to launch the Tableau application. If you haven't already installed it, you'll want to download and install Tableau from the official Tableau website. Once you've launched the app, you'll find yourself at the home screen. This is where we start our journey. Next, you'll need to load the data you intend to work with in Tableau. Depending on your data source, you might be connecting to an Excel file, a text file, or even a direct database connection. To do this, locate the Connect pane on the left side of your screen. Choose your data type and navigate to your file or data location. Open it up and you'll see your data previewed on the workspace. Take a moment to ensure your data is correctly loaded and that all necessary tables and fields are present and correct. Once your data is loaded, the next step is all about focusing on the Data Source tab. This tab gives you a detailed view of your data and lets you adjust and fine-tune your data settings. You might be adjusting joins, pivoting data, or renaming fields. This is all an essential part of preparing your data for visualizations, so spend a few moments ensuring everything looks perfect here. After ensuring your data is properly set up, turn your attention to saving your work. To do so, locate the Save icon on the interface. Typically, this is found in the top menu or toolbar. Clicking this icon will prompt you to choose between saving your file as a Tableau data source file, known as TDS, or a Tableau data extract file, known as TDSX. A TDS file will retain all the metadata and structure settings of your source data, whereas a TDSX file also contains an extract of the data so that you can work offline. Once you've decided which format best suits your needs, choose your desired saving location on your computer. A good tip is to create a dedicated folder for your Tableau projects to keep everything organized. After selecting, give your file an appropriate name that reflects the data or project it pertains to. Then, click Save. And just like that, you've successfully saved your data source file. Remember, having a saved TDS or TDSX file is not just about convenience. It also ensures that your data integrity and settings are maintained over time, which is crucial for consistent and reproducible analysis. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your Tableau experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and guides like this one. See you next time.